Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, and giveaways. Lots of unboxings and lots of giveaways. So for every month I do an eyeshadow palette giveaway, and for this month it is the Tetris Ipsy palette. I'll put a link for that in the description box down below. Also, I have going on in honor of our 100th video. I have a giveaway going on for that. I'll put that link down below. And then I also have my 200th subscriber giveaway coming up really soon. So I'm super excited for that. And then we'll do another one when we hit 300 subscribers. Help us grow, help us get there. So this unboxing is the July Macy's Beauty Box. If you're not familiar with it, it ships out monthly. It's $15 a month. There's usually either 5 to 6 full-size, deluxe size samples in there. There's also always a makeup bag and a coupon code where you can either get $5 to $10 off their beauty products, either in-store or on their website. So let's dive into this box. How cute is this bag? It's a mesh bag. Would be perfect for going on the beach or anything like that. Love these colors. There's always a card that talks a little bit about it. And then there is, this month is a $5 off coupon that you can use. And this is kind of what it looks like without anything in there. And it is completely mesh. There's no lining or anything going on in it. Kind of like my top. All the products come neatly wrapped in tissue paper. Have you guys seen the perfume bottle for this? This is the Moshino Toy 2 perfume. I'll put a picture of that here in just a minute. It is so cute. It's a little teddy bear, actually. It kind of looks like this one right here. How cute is that bottle? So I always like to give it a little sniff first before I tell you about it. Ooh, I really like that. I can really smell kind of like an orange citrus scent with a little bit of floral, maybe a little bit of woodsy. So let's see what it says about it. Does retail for $76, full size obviously of this. It's an unexpected combo of fruits, florals, woodsy notes, and musk. It made this blend bright and perfect for the fun-loving and free-spirited women. Pro tip, scents rise throughout the day, so spritz lower pulse points like behind your knees. Never heard of that before. On the inside of your ankles, in addition to your neck and wrists to help fragrance withstand the heat. That's kind of a really good tip. I've never even thought about that. I love the packaging on this. I don't know if you guys can kind of see it here. It kind of reminds me of like a snake skin purple. So this is Tarte. It is their Lights Camera Splashes 4-in-1 waterproof mascara. I need a good waterproof one. And at first I thought this was like a case for it, but it's the whole packaging. Here's what this looks like. So a full size of this one just retail for $23. It's a long days at the beach, call for waterproof mascara, but this little overachiever also lengthens, curls, volumizes, and conditions. Wow. Pro tip, use this mascara on repeat and let the olive esters in it condition, treat, and protect your lashes all summer long. I can't wait to try this guy out. I am going to be doing, because it was a suggestion from one of you, to do a masking series, a mascara series where I review and test out different mascaras. So be on the lookout for this one. I'm always on the lookout for a good face sunscreen. So this is by Clarins. It's a UV plus anti-pollution sunscreen, multi-protection, broad spectrum, SPF of 50. Sun's out, skin's out. Better get the better get out the SPF. Lucky for you, this one blocks all kinds of skin damaging elements to protect your skin. Full size of this does retail for $43 for sunscreen. Wow. Pro tip, apply the silky goodness anytime you're going to be in the sun to shield your skin from harmful UVA, UVB rays, and pollutants. It is a non-tinted one. And always make sure to put on your sunscreen really thick. If you put on just a little light layer, guys, that's an SPF of like 4, not an SPF of 50. That you need an SPF of 30 or more. And then here's what this guy kind of looks like. That on the skin. And when I put my sunscreen on in the morning, I always go in, put it in, and then let it really soak in for, if I can do half hour, 45 minutes, that's the best, and then put my makeup on. So I think, you know, you can, has a little bit of a white cast, but it's not too bad. From Philosophy is the Renew Hope in a Jar Peeling Mousse. What is a peeling mousse? This powerful but gentle gem from Philosophy lets you actually see your dry, flaky skin roll away to show your natural glow. Full size of this does retail for $35. Pro tip, exfoliate is crucial for glowing skin, so do it on a regular. Massage this mousse into your skin for a minute and watch it do its work. I love peeling masks when it's actually a mask that you physically, so the chemical peels I really love. The ones where you actually peel from your face, not so big on those because you don't want any super tugging and everything like that going on your face. So if it's an actual, you know, when they physically peel off, I'll go in with a wet washcloth and just kind of buff it off. But I'm excited to try this one out. There was one by Earthen that I loved. So we'll see how this one compares to it. So look for this in my masking peels video series that I'm doing. Ooh, by Too Faced. We have the Hangover Replenishing Face Primer. This baby is instant cure for tired, dry skin. It's silicone-free, coconut water infused, and practically magic. You'll $34. The pro tip, apply this dream cream before your makeup gives yourself a radiant, hydrated canvas and bake a full night of beauty rest. I'm excited. I need a new primer, so I'm excited to try this one out. Last is by Grande Cosmetics. I've tried a couple of their hydrating lipsticks and they are amazing. They really plump up. I love them. So this one is gloss but not sticky plumper that you will see your new summertime go-to. Clear shiny lips are perfect condition for your glowy look. Retails for $27. Pro tip, keep this in your beach bag or purse at all times for in the summer for quick, plumped up, and effortless, cool, glossy lip. I do have a lip gloss on right now, so I'm not gonna put it on, but it is a clear gloss. And I've been they really plump up. I've been loving this. So we got the lip gloss, the sunscreen, perfume, the peel, the Too Faced primer, and the Tarte mascara, which I'm really excited to try out. What were your guys' favorites in this box? If you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, do help us grow. It does really mean a lot to me. Hit that notification bell so you know when our next video will be posted. As always, you guys have a beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.